Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase for staking. First, understand that staking on Coinbase lets you earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. It's a way to support the network and get a return on your digital assets. We'll cover the simple steps to get started, what assets are available, and how your rewards are calculated. This process is designed to be straightforward for all users. To begin staking, ensure your account is verified and you reside in a supported region. Coinbase offers staking for a select group of cryptocurrencies, which can change. Currently, you might find options like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano available. Always check the Coinbase app or website for the most up-to-date list of eligible assets and any minimum balance requirements before you commit. Staking on Coinbase is quite simple. Once you have an eligible asset, go to the Earn section in your account. There, you'll see the cryptocurrencies available for staking and their estimated annual percentage yield. Choose the asset you want to stake, review the terms, and confirm your decision. Your assets will then be locked, and you'll start earning rewards automatically. Your staking rewards are usually distributed directly into your Coinbase account on a regular basis, like daily or weekly. Remember that unstaking your assets might involve a waiting period, which can range from a few days to several weeks, depending on the cryptocurrency. Always review these details before staking. Also, for more great financial insights and other deals, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.